Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn another subtopic of this lesson, that is atomic structure. See, atomic structure is consist of a two part. One is a nucleus and another one is a extra nuclear part. Let me show the diagram. See, this is the atomic structure of any atom. It consists of two parts, nucleus and extra nuclear part. The red part you see in the diagram, that is the nucleus. I repeat again, the red part that you see in picture, that is nucleus, and the black circles are there, that is extra nuclear part. Now see what is present in nucleus and what is present in the extra nuclear part. So first come to the nucleus. Nucleus is a positive charged. All entire mass of the atom is concentrated in the nucleus. This nucleus is consist of another two part. This nucleus consists of two part, proton and neutron. See, proton is a positive charge particles. Proton is positive charge particles. And proton, symbol of proton is a small letter p. Its mass is approximately 1 Dalton, 1 atomic unit. And neutron is a chargeless particle. It is present in the nucleus, but it is a chargeless particles. Its a symbol is small letter n. And the mass of neutron is also approximately 1 atomic unit. 1 U. 1 U means the 1 atomic unit, like a proton. See, this both proton and neutron together called nucleons. Both are present in the nucleus. Again come to the diagram. See, as I said, proton and neutron both are present in nucleus. Now we will learn the extra nuclear part. So come to the extra nuclear part. In extra nuclear part, that is the black circles you see in the diagram, that is negative charged. All the negative black circles are revolving around the nucleus in a different orbit. See, there are three different black color circles are there. Each circles have a different orbit. This extra nuclear part consists of an electron. The red word, जो लाल word आपको दिख रहा है, electron. This a single electron is present in an extra nuclear part. Now, what is the properties of electron? Properties of electron is, it is a negative charge particles. Its symbol is E minus, small letter E and minus. The mass of electron is 1800 times less than the proton and neutron. That's why its mass is negligible. The mass of electron is negligible. Therefore, we can say the entire mass of atom is concentrated in the nucleus. All the electrons are revolving in a different cells. See, as you see in the diagram, green E is there. जो ग्रीन ई है, दैट इज़ द इलेक्ट्रॉन, वो अलग अलग सेल्स में उसको न्यूक्लियस के अराउंड में सर्कल में घूम रहे हैं. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज द नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन एंड नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल. प्रोटॉन क्या है? पॉजिटिव चार्ज. प्रोटॉन पॉजिटिव चार्ज है और इलेक्ट्रॉन नेगेटिव चार्ज है. एंड नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन इन एनी एटम and electron is equals, therefore atom is a electrically neutral. उसमें पॉजिटिव चार्ज और नेगेटिव चार्ज होते हैं, फिर भी एटम क्या होता है? न्यूट्रल होता है, उसमें कोई चार्ज नहीं होता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल लर्न द अनदर सब टॉपिक, दैट इज एटॉमिक मास नंबर. Atomic mass number is denoted by letter A, and its a definition is, listen carefully, definition: the total number of proton and neutron. I repeat, the total number of proton and neutron is known as the atomic mass number. The total number of proton and neutron present in a nucleus of an atom is called atomic mass number. The next thing is atomic number. Then atomic number is there. Atomic number is denoted by letter Z. Okay, इसका definition क्या होगा? The number of proton or electron. See, proton, number of proton or electron present in an atom is known as the atomic number of that element. These two definition you have to write. You have to write the full table also. Don't confuse, huh? Atomic mass number, proton and neutron. Total sum of proton and neutron, and atomic number is proton or electron. Or is important word present in the nucleus. Thank you.